Hello everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com. And today I've got a project share for you guys. I want to show you the projects that have been created for the latest, well, one of the latest, it's not the latest, one of the latest classes in the Academy. And that, of course, is SACs Academy. SACs stands for Spectrum Art Creations. So SACS Academy. And we've made some really beautiful pop-up dimensional cards. These cards are super special. So this is the one that we did in class. They have all these great elements, as you can see, just a whole forest full of fairy friends, right? We've got fairies that are flying in, we've got butterflies as well that are fluttering by, and then all of our little critter friends, birdies, raccoons, bunnies, deer, and so much more. Lots of mushrooms and fairy houses. But here's the magic to these. Not only is this super fun, but they fold fully flat for mailing. So look at that. You can mail them just with a regular envelope. But then when, of course, your recipient gets them, they'll be like, oh, look at this. And then they can display it. I know it's kind of hard to show because this is something we typically would look at straight on, but I'm trying to do it justice on camera. Oh, sorry, my fairy just got caught somewhere there. There we go. Oh, I forgot my squirrel friend was down here too. I just realized that. I forgot. Of course, I have to have a squirrel, right? And ladybugs. So this is the first project that we did, but I will warn you that it is kind of addicting because once you get started, you can't stop. So guess what? After I had done this one, I decided that I was going to do another one. And this one is using the Studio Light. What is it called? It's called My Favorite Crafting Book, and it's a super fun book, which of course all the elements pop out, and so there's no fussy cutting whatsoever. And then you've got all kinds of backgrounds, so great to use. It even includes stickers in the back. Again, all the product that I'm showing you is also available in the online store, spectrumartcreations.com. And of course, this and tons of more classes are available in the Academy. I'll tell you a little bit more about the Academy in a second, but first I want to show you the projects. So this one was done using that pad right there. Again, I just popped up the elements. We have a bunch of other butterflies here. It is now springtime at the time that we're recording this. And here in Florida, we've got everything blooming. We have the most beautiful azalea bushes and all kinds of other, what is it called? Yasmin. Um, it's called jasmine something or Yasmin. I don't know how you pronounce it because it's spelled weird. It's like a little white flower. So pretty. It smells like almost like vanilla. So pretty. Anywho, all of that is blooming. So I was like, oh, perfect. So this one is a little bit more eclectic. We've got candles, more zen-like. We've got some bottles. We've got some lavender. We've even got a bike. We've got a full picture frame in the back. We've got even a banner. See that? How fun is that? A suspended banner. We've got our butterflies, and we even have a floating word or sentiment. And it says, live your life, do it now. And I thought, okay, yeah, I need to see that. I need to hear that. Super fun. Even this is dimensional, but again, it folds fully flat for mailing. So pretty, right? Again, what themes would you use? Because the possibilities are endless, and you can use like all your little leftover scraps and like little bits of ephemera that you have left and just keep making these. But oh, possibilities, everything, any theme you want. So I want to hear from you guys in the comments. What would you use? What will be yours? Because you never know. You never know. I just might pick a winner and send you out a few of the boxes so that you can put together one or maybe two. Maybe I'll pick multiple winners. I'd love for you to also, of course, be able to work through this class in the Academy because I have a full step-by-step, including additional inspiration and ideas and suggestions in the Academy class. So this one was my next one because I thought I have to have a steampunk one. Of course I do. This one is done with the Sir Vagabond Aviation. So from Stamperia, again, all these products are available in the online store. We carry amazing Studio Light, uniquely creative Stamperia lines, and so much more. But this one is more rustic. You've got your lots of great dimension again here. I've actually propped it up. It says even the flying machine is dimensional. You've got goggles, you've got road signs from, I guess, New York City, which is, I guess, is where he's flying into because we see the Statue of Liberty. We've got clocks, we've got gears, we've even got flying airplanes, we've got propellers, we've got hot air balloons, and so much more. So super fun to do these also um, with, again, a steampunk theme. And then, of course, if you guys know me, I can't help myself, right? I had to do an Alice one. What can I say? I love Alice. For those of you who don't know, I just absolutely love anything Alice. So this one has a cute little tag here with an eyelet, a metallic eyelet. And there's more to this one, by the way. But we have invited all of our Wonderland friends to come out. So Alice is holding the Tea Party banner, welcoming you. The White Rabbit has got your invitation ready. He says, you are invited. Yes, you are. We got the Mad Hatter scurrying about. We've got the Queen with her cup of tea, even with steam coming out of that. It's a nice hot cup of tea. We've got, I guess, the Page, or is this the Knave? I'm not sure. It might be a Page because he's like holding a cushion with some teacups. And then, of course, we have our mushroom with our teacups and our teapot, because that's our place setting. And then back here, we've got the whole party going on with the March hare and so much more. And it says, you are my cup of tea. And then, of course, it's always time for tea. And here's a great way to use, oh, why is that? There we go. Here's another great way of using even those fancy frames. Because again, guess what? It's all going to fold flat for mailing. So super fun. But with this one, I added yet another little twist to it. Let me see if I've got, oh, perfect. Oh, yeah, oh. I actually have a playing card that's an Alice playing card. But what I did with this one is, and yes, we actually make our own custom playing cards. So those are great. Make sure you join us for our live sales to check those out. This one has a little hidden pocket here. So we've got our tea setting going on and that gorgeous label, but it's also a pocket. So you can add a gift card in here, right? Actually, you can even put it behind Alice. Add your gift card and then flatten it, mail it, and then when the recipient gets it, they'll be like, oh my goodness, thank you for my gift card. And I still have this beauty to go ahead and display. So those are just 4 of the themes. I could go on and on because I was thinking, what else can I do? Like, I mean, anything. You're not limited by anything other than what paper you currently have. And Lord knows we have beautiful papers in our online store. So check out Stamperia and Uniquely Creative and Studio Light and Graphic 45, of course, one of my favorites. I was also thinking about an Easter one because we just did this photo play line, the bunnies and blooms, a couple of weeks ago, just in time for Easter, which is coming up. And I thought, oh, look how cute. Because see that banner right there? You know how we did the little bunting banner here, the suspended one? Wouldn't that be adorable to do? And then we've got little rabbits and, all kinds of floral boxes and stuff that we can add in there as well. Even a wreath that we can do in the background. Yeah. So again, when you look at this is another actually uniquely creative page. So I keep these pages here. This one's from Protoplay because these are the ones that sometimes when I'm just like, I need to do a quick project. Well, there you go. One sheet wonder, right? I want to hear from you. What will you do with yours? What kind of themes or paper lines do you think would be really fun to do with these? I'm thinking, oh my goodness, Mother's Day is right around the corner. Some florals would be great. Father's Day is coming up. What a great way to do a guy card, right? And then stick in that gift card in there so they can go to Home Depot or I don't know, Lowe's are too big. Home Depot and Lowe's are too big stores, home improvement stores here in the United States. So maybe something like that, or maybe their favorite restaurant, because guys are hard to gift stuff for, but you could do something like this and, and even do some more gears and maybe some wrenches. Um, and then, oh, actually, you know what? You could even use the 3/4 Designs has a new line called Father Figure, and that would be awesome because it's just in time for Father's Day too. So, anywho, Christmas. How fun would this be, Christmas? To create, a forest or tree or maybe a living room scene setting. Oh, okay, I want to hear your thoughts because my head is running wild. I could do 50 of these easily in a heartbeat. They are very easy to do, by the way. Super fun, though, to watch the class in the academy because you'll have them done in a snap. Um, Speaking of the Academy, I promise you some more information. So, if you are not familiar with the Academy, well, what is it? Well, it's SACs Academy. SACs stands for Spectrum Art Creations with the S at the end. So, SACS, SACs Academy. That is a membership to this channel. So, when you become a member to this channel, there are multiple levels, but the student level and the VIP level is where you want to be. Those are the two levels. It's like less than a Happy Meal a month. It's like a cup of Starbucks. It's under $10, let's put it that way, to join. And with that, you get all kinds of amazing perks, whether it's free digis, coupons or discounts. You get, more importantly, classes and workshops. So the Academy is loaded every month with new classes. Actually, nowadays is multiple classes a month that I've been loading lately, including something like this and some other ones. Actually, the latest one was a slimline folio that we did. So whether you like folios, scrapbooking 12 by 12 layouts, interactive features, cards, if you're a card maker, or techniques, because we have also technique classes. Whether you are new to a product or maybe it's something you've had sitting there for a while. For example, we are coming up, we have a gilding flake technique class. So maybe you have thought of gilding flakes and you're like, I don't know, do I want these or not? What would I do with them? Well, that class will give you the techniques. You might already have them in your stash and they kind of been sitting there and you were like, I got these for a reason, but I don't play with them. Well, let's break them out and play. Or maybe you are a seasoned pro, but again, you kind of put them off to the side and have forgotten about them. And now you're like, oh, you know what? This is great. This is a refresher. And what I'll do is I'll craft along and make some awesome projects with it. Okay, so that or mixed media, like things like, what ideas to what to do with your jelly plate. You might have a gel press, you might not. You might have oxide sprays. So, all of these things we have technique classes for in addition to full projects. Everything ranging from quick projects like these to multi-class workshops where it takes us 3-4 days maybe to work through an entire album from beginning to end and make these amazing albums or mixed media projects. All of that is available at the Academy. All of it is available for one flat monthly fee. So you're not paying $10-15 for this class and then another $60 for a major album that we're putting together and then another. No, it's all inclusive. You get everything in there, all the classes, not only the classes that are upcoming, but guess what? You also get all the classes that have passed already. So the moment you join, you have instant access to a bunch of hidden content, exclusive content, classes, workshops, and so much more. So make sure you check out the Academy. We definitely hope to see you there for this project and so much more, not only past, but coming. You will be in the know and of course get a bunch of additional perks in addition to everything that I've already mentioned, like we do monthly gift cards every month for our Academy members at the student and VIP level and so much more. I mean, I could go on and on. So check out the Academy, join it. It'll be the best $10 you've spent this month, I guarantee, and every month. Cheaper than a Happy Meal probably nowadays, and or what is it? I don't know, a fast food combo. There you go. And I'm going to leave a link here with more information on the Academy. And then also in the description box down below, there there's going to be a link also. And in that link, if you click it, it will take you also to more information on the Academy and how you just click there and sign up. You pick your level, sign up, and you will be in the Academy for game nights, VIP nights, craft along nights, and so much more. Okay, I'll leave that video here. I'll leave some inspiration as well. Click on that. And then I will see you there. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye.